Hey guys, in this video we will be detailing the steps on how to replace the air filter on a Hyundai 3.3 liter V6. Let's start by opening up the hood. With the hood open, that will give us access to the air filter housing, which is on the right-hand side when facing the engine. We will start by opening the two clips that will allow us to open the housing access door. With this access door open, this will allow us to slide the old air filter out of the housing. This filter has been in for 2 years and 40,000 kilometers, as we could see, quite dirty. For the new filter, I went with a Wix filter. The part number is as you could see here. The installation of the new filter is opposite of what we did to remove the old. We will slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring we push it all the way towards the back. With the filter all the way inserted, the access door can then be closed, making sure that it fits underneath the upper half of the housing. Then we could fasten the two spring clips. And there you have it, guys, the new air filter installed. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.